Hi guys, I am Christy and this is Created by Christy. Today, fun fact, my child broke his arm on the 9th day of kindergarten. So now we have a broken cannon over here. We had to go back for our checkup today and learned that we needed to get out of the cast, get an x-ray, and get another cast. So this is the first cast that we did. Got a nice souvenir, get to take it home. But what I want to show you how to do is Mod Podge onto the cast so that if your child breaks himself, it doesn't have to be so boring and basic. So I'm going to teach you how to Mod Podge fabric over a cast. My little child is a fan of Batman. So today we have picked this nice, fun Batman fabric. Sorry, my dogs are like fighting behind me, so that's fun. So I just get one of the squares. It's literally 18 by 21. And I like this because it has like different squares, so I can cut the pieces and position them the way that I want to onto the cast. So now what I'm going to do is cut it all up and then we'll go ahead and start the application. Okay, so now that I have some pieces cut up, what we're gonna need is Mod Podge, a foam brush. I put this bag underneath his arm because it is gonna be gluey and that way it's gonna protect his clothes a little bit. But, and then we're just gonna get started. So, oops, I get a little plate to put this on. I'll be right back. Okay. So I am going to take my Mod Podge, pour it on a plate just so that it's easier for me to work with. And I have got my foam brush and I'm going to use that to apply it. I did have gloves, it'd be smart to put them on. Alrighty. Hey, can we stop? Oh, these dogs and these children are driving me crazy. All right, so now I'm just gonna get up here so that I can really get at his arm. And there's no right or wrong way. Just kind of pick a spot and start going. So I'm gonna come right up here on the top and start brushing the Mod Podge onto the cast. So that will take that first layer. And this is why I like to have my scissors close by, because this dude will look super cool up here. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that piece. And then you're just gonna kind of push it down onto there. And then you're gonna put the Mod Podge on top of it. And that's what's gonna seal it into the fabric. The reason it's best to kind of cut these things into pieces is so that you can kind of manipulate and work around the cast, because otherwise it's not going to bend the way you want it to. It just doesn't give that way. So, are you picking your nose? Alrighty. Alrighty, so you can see kind of how it's starting to adhere to the casting material there, and you just kind of want to rub it down as you go to make sure you get that smooth application. And now that you can kind of see that, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on fast forward through the rest of the video and zoom in so you can really see what we're working with here. All right, guys, it may take a little bit of time, but if you put it in piece by piece and work your way around, you can make a superhero cast for your superhero. What do you think?
Good job.
Thanks, everybody. Remember to like and subscribe.